spark your ambition, those driven venture off trail. Miss Vinini singing our control. Feel like Thomas Gumete when with my cohorts in a place I call home. Mangleli yakho song. Ngibe ngivuka ngesekwezami sishuka ungiqeda izekele emuzanyo. Contended uphill battles ngaboni ngasolinye igenge ngenhla ehlele ngesansi. Kukhala ucingo ngalizwe ngilekwa mlungu ebhalitho uthi ubaba noma ngabe zodaka buya kusekhaya ukuduba umndeni ungalingi. Wena usalwa ishinga isinga yinga enidolo impilo yima idakamizwa ungayizama uqaphe these bright lights ibaqonde ngqondo nda
ungasabi lutho danami ukuthi akubona nobuhlobo konke kwingxenye yohambo engilikuhle nebutho.
Eyes glazed to the tinge of hope. I fall back, lay off the liquor, not veil on a stony ledge. I can only hear bits and pieces of Iyalo before they get swallowed by the distance. Umhawe inkosi ngumbuso uJehova, ngiwubone ngamehlo ngawufakaza. Ngigula ngesaba, Nkosi awungishiyanga, ngibuthaka wangithukisela ethaka. Tended to my contusions fully, your words pull me, cut through me, then truly sue me back at the scenes awusuki. Emntwini enteka you fuel me to forge my own path ngingahluli. Fortunate to have seen some of my demons retreat, angiphumi. Ngakuphethe ephaketheni baba ungangidubi, baba ungangidubi. Wena uthe
ungasabi lutho danami